So in this video, you'll learn how to use grid lines in the camera app on your Samsung Galaxy A36, A26 and A56. So the first step when it comes to using the grid lines is to launch the camera app. And then from here, you want to navigate to the settings menu. Once you're in the settings menu, you want to scroll down until you find the option composition guide, and then you want to select it. So the first step is to enable this feature, and then you can choose how you're going to use the composition guide. So you have grid lines, you have level, and then you have grid lines and levels. So because we're using grid lines, you can choose between the two options, grid lines only or grid lines and level. Once you've made your choice, just navigate back to the camera app, and you'll notice almost immediately the grid lines have actually appeared on your phone. If you've chosen grid lines and level, then you also have the level option appearing right in the center of the screen. And so now you can use these grid lines as a way to help you take photos on your phone. So for example, if I want to take a photo of these buds and I want to center it just right, I can use these grid lines so that I can center the image to the way I would like to. And then I can take the photo, and then you can see that the image is as centered as possible. And if you want to disable this feature, then all you need to do is just navigate back to settings. And then under settings, you want to scroll and select the option composition guide, and then just tap on the toggle like that to disable it. Once it's been disabled, you'll now notice that whenever you navigate back to the camera app, the grid lines have actually disappeared from the screen, which means that you've successfully turned them off. And so that's how you can use the grid lines feature on your phone. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.